Hello everyone, I'm launching a social media platform and the platform name is RooMmate. This RooMmate will be useful for everyone. The social media will have a template, and this template will be connected to everything we do in our daily life. It will be connected to or featured to all the industries around the world as well. For example, it will have a template about farming. So if you are a farmer, you choose a template about farming. It will have a specific crop as well. If you are in, let's say, in the orange farming, it will have a template for orange farmers. So if you have that template, you can put all your information there, how you do your farming, how you sell the crops and what you do with it. You put information there. And someone else in another place in that same farming the same crop will also choose a template, and then you can share your link with the other farmer and tell your story to each other. So maybe have some advantage of going about his farming duties. You share it with you. You also share your farming story with the person. If, let's say, the person is a teacher, you choose the template as a template for teachers, and then you tell your story, how you do your teaching in your country or in your community. And then the other teacher will also choose a template of teacher, and then you share a link. So you can type in, if you share a link, you can type in on your friend or partner's template. Put a message there, ask questions, and then he will reply to you. Share ideas, and he will reply to you. You also type in your template. So this is how I want to create a social media platform to educate people. You know, it will have education, sharing ideas. If it's an investment, you know, what type of investment you do. Someone is also in investment. They can join you, share ideas, teach the person how to do the investment, and we grow from there. So this is the social media platform I want to create. It's called RooMmate. This RooMmate will link people all over the world about business, about just social life and everything. So I hope it will work well, and let's enjoy it. Thank you very much.